Okay guys, I have Insta Go to since 1 month and I was quite happy with it, but now it is not working. I was in the sea for 5 minutes and after that actually it died. So what is the problem is that when I open this, it's blinking red, and when I press connect, it says connecting, but actually it's not connected. So you can see here the battery is full. When I remove the camera from the charger and press long press to turn it on, it doesn't respond. If I press it shortly, also doesn't respond. When it's on the charger, it is blinking for a couple of seconds in red, but doesn't respond. I cannot connect also to the app. Do you have any suggestions? What is the issue? Please tell me in the comments below. Thank you.